It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
When you need help around the house, it's a good idea to bundle small repairs into just one visit from the handyman. So Bill Cohn from Mr. Handyman is here to explain a little bit more. Thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me, Jordan.
So what about these small repairs makes it a good idea to bundle them together for just one visit?
Well, we all have, if we have got one thing that bothers us about the house, then there's at least a half a dozen things. Now, certainly Mr. Handyman can handle bigger jobs and those things that you need to get done right away, but we can also take care of all those small things around the house that have just been kind of bugging you over a period of time.
Yeah, no job too big, too small. I love that. It's my favorite thing about Mr. Handyman because you're fully licensed and can handle basically any job out there.
Right.
What are some of these smaller projects? Let's give examples of what we should maybe be looking for, things that might be bothering us around the house.
Okay, so some of those things are, patching drywall. We've got drywall, holes from a doorknob in your drywall. You've moved curtains and now you got some holes that need to be patched. Caulking in a bathtub that's kind of been old and needs to be updated. So those are the type of things that we can help with that are smaller things. You may not want somebody to come out just for that one job, but if you put those together, then in a half a day or a full day, we can take care of a lot of things around your house.
But it's also extremely cost effective from the homeowner's perspective because instead of each individual visit, both time and money that they're spending, they can get it kind of all knocked out at one time.
Right. And they don't have to call somebody each time. So they're saving time. A lot of our customers take a half day off of work or a day off of work. You wouldn't want to do that over a long period of time to get each individual item taken care of.
Of course. So then you mentioned to me when we were prepping for this that there's this checklist where, if there's something that's really bothering you at home and you want to call the handyman and you don't know what other things that you should bundle with it, there's a checklist that you guys can provide to kind of kick the ideas off.
There is, and we email that to our customers. We give that to them when we come and do a job, and it gives them a breakdown by room. Here's some things that we can do for you in the kitchen, here's some things we can do in the bathroom, in the bedroom, and we can go through that with them and help jar their memory about, oh yeah, this has been bugging me too, let's get that taken care of now.
Thanks so much, Bill. When you call Mr. Handyman and you have a 4-hour service, you'll save $50 when you mention Approved Home Pros. So bundle those repairs today and get one visit from Mr. Handyman.